Okay, y'all, this is just our little setup. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got all this stuff from. Most of it I got from Amazon, and I will have links in the description box if y'all want to check this stuff out. I'm gonna get to that stuff in a minute. This is the board. I got this from Amazon. Also, I have that link in the description box. But yeah, I just cleaned the board off. Normally what I do is just write good morning on there, write her name on there, and then it'll have like what we doing for the day, like her ABCs, her numbers, or like colors or whatever we're working on today. Yeah, I gotta get some more stuff. I'm thinking about getting her like a small little table to sit like in a corner right here. I don't know though. I gotta clean the wall off, y'all. She didn't get chalk everywhere. I gotta find like the little magic eraser things. I have another plug for the outlet. I normally have it plugged up, but I just vacuumed right there, so I just used it. I am gonna put it back on. But yeah, this is our little setup. Her chair, don't mind it, it's dirty. I gotta wash it. I gotta wash this thing off. I don't know how I'm gonna wash it because it does not come off, so I think I'm gonna just fold it down and put it in the tub or whatever. But anyway, when it's lunchtime, I just put her high chair right here and put all her stuff on it, her food and stuff. And I got this from Amazon as well. And this little mat thing right here, I got it from Amazon as well, and I'll have all the links in the description box if y'all want to check it out. So yeah, y'all, this is some of the stuff that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna show y'all that I absolutely love. Let me show y'all this first because this is like my favorite thing ever. I'm so like happy that I bought this for my baby. I remember playing with this back in kindergarten. This is just the counting bears for the colors and to learn how to count, and I absolutely love this, y'all. It comes in this little carrying case, but you get like 6 cups, 60 counting bears, 1 dice, 1 pair of tweezers, and then a storage bin. But yeah, y'all, I absolutely love this. This is going to be a big help with her learning how to color. Learning her colors and learning how to count, y'all. Like, I cannot wait. We just got it, by the way. I cannot wait to like actually, teach her how to use this stuff. Like, I'm so excited. So it comes with the little bears, the cups, the tweezers, and the dice. Like, I cannot wait, y'all. I'm super excited. So I got this from Amazon. I cannot remember the price, but like I keep saying, I'll have all the links in the description box for everything. Okay, so this little thing, this really helps with learning ABCs and like animals and stuff, because it sings the ABCs and then it tell you like the animals and stuff. So yeah, like stuff like that. See, stuff like that, I love it. And this is like really how I taught her how to learn her ABCs besides sing them to her. But yeah, y'all, I really love this. I bought this for Christmas, but I really love this, y'all. Amazing. Let me just turn it on.
Then a letter.
And I got this also. I bought this for Christmas as well. This has been a big help with learning her shapes and stuff. So also her colors too, because they got different colors and they're different shapes. So this has been a big help as well. So I got that. I absolutely love this. I got this. This is was like one of her first toys. With learning her colors and stuff too. I don't know what the other pieces at, but this has been a good help as well. These books we do read, and I got all these books from Dollar Tree. So these some other books I got from Dollar Tree. So that's it. Then we do have like a movie day where we like watch movies instead of like doing stuff on the board. So I got these movies. I got another one, but I cannot find them, so I got these. What else? Oh, these coloring books too. I got her these coloring books, activity books and stuff. So these has been a big help too. And this puzzle. This puzzle she got for Christmas or her birthday. One of them, I think my mama or my sister bought it for her, but this has been a huge help as well. So I love that. Oop, it's falling on. I just wanted to show y'all some other stuff I got off Amazon. All these socks, y'all. 12 pair of socks for $6. I got these from Amazon. She can't quite fit them yet, but by the time it get like really cold and snowy, she would need these. So I just went and went ahead and bought these because she needed some more socks. And I also got her some house shoes because she needed some more. They're a little big, but by the time it get cold, like I said, she'll be wearing these. I absolutely love these, y'all. Look, they're so cute. They're so cute. I remember I had some elephant house shoes like this. But yeah, these are so cute, y'all. Make me want to buy me a pair so it could be twinsies. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.